When I first found Porch, he was as big as my thumb. He was just a day old. He looked prehistoric. He was with no feathers. He had a little bit of fuzz. He had some high winds, and it blew the nest out of the wreath. I cupped him in my hand and kept him warm, and I just watched for the mother. I never saw her come back. He'd been out there too long, and I brought him in. I Googled how to rescue a baby bird, how to feed a baby bird. The feathers came in. He started flapping his wings and getting stronger. I took him outside a lot.
Funny. Funny baby.
He started flitting back and forth from me to the cage. The day that he flew away, I was feeding him on the porch, and he flew up and was gone. And I thought, oh, he's gone now. That afternoon he came back. He would fly to me and sit on my hand, and I could feed him. I used to say he was yelling at me. He'd see me come out the door, and he'd always yell at me. It was just amazing. He would come 5 or 6 times a day, and he'd fly away when he was done.
Let's see, there he goes. Come in.
And then I put a bird feeder in my garden, and I saw him for a couple days. Then he's just stopped coming. I'm still amazed that I raised him. It's hard to believe that I did that.